Hey guys, so listen, if you missed the National Honor Society meeting, the good news is that you didn't miss a real long one. It was a pretty short one. But let me just go over with you really quickly some of the things that you did miss, because there were some announcements that were made and that sort of thing, okay? So, first announcement is to let you know that sweatshirts are in. So if you ordered a sweatshirt, come see me to get it, okay? You'll have to come to school to pick it up. Make sure that you go through the front office if you're coming in in a weird time. If you're already here on campus and you just want to stop in and see it, then it's fine. You don't need to go through the office. You can just come see me. I'm in room P10 at the end of the P hallway. If you did not order a sweatshirt and you wanted to get one, because they're pretty cool looking, I do have a couple of extras. You just have to let me know. It's first come, first serve. If you wanted to get a sweatshirt, remember they're $25. You will pay for them through Infinite Campus. Just to give you a heads up, National Junior Honor Society, I have some mediums and I have 2 smalls left as far as extras are concerned. National Honor Society, I have 2 larges and I have 1 small. Those are the extras that I have. So if you're interested, again, just let me know, or if you have yours, come pick it up, okay? There is a volunteer opportunity for you next week. Anybody that made those incredible care packages, those are awesome. Really appreciate you guys doing that, by the way. But they're all here and they're all in my room, and they need to go to the gym, to gym 2, and then some need to go to Miss Reeves' room just to kind of be able to pass them out to the people that are taking AP exams. And so if you want to come first thing in the morning and you want to just help me get the table set up, you're welcome to do that, okay? If you're going to come in the morning, make sure you go through the MPR. Let them know that you're here to help me set up for AP exams. If, and I'm sorry, I just realized I didn't turn the page for you, but again, if you are interested and you do end up coming, if you happen to not see me in my room, it's probably because I'm running back and forth between my room and the gym. So just FYI. Are you interested in being an officer for next school year for NHS and National Junior Honor Society? If you are, if you go on to our Canvas page, okay, so I'm actually on our Canvas page. If you go to the home page, and over on the side, there's a little thing that says quizzes, okay? I'll probably put this in an announcement and link it to there as well. But for now, if you want to go into where it says quizzes, there is an officer interest form. You'll just click on that. And then here, it's going to ask you like some questions. So what grade are you in? Are you interested in being an officer? If so, what position? And then why? Okay, so it's kind of like a little application, so to speak. Again, if you're interested in being president, vice president, we have treasurer, we have public relations, we have an NJHS representative, secretary. So we've got all kinds of good opportunities for you if you guys are interested, okay? Let's see, what else? One more thing. Oh, yes! You are amazing and are going to do amazing on your AP exams next week. I know there's a lot of you guys that are taking them. Good luck to you. Again, I promise you're going to be amazing. Listen, I heard the bananas are supposed to be like smart food, and so eat a banana or 5 in the morning. No, don't eat 5 bananas, but you know what I mean. All right, shoot me an email if you guys have any questions, okay? I will see ya later.